do a little video on the animals. I haven't done one in a while. Please do not mind my obnoxious dog out there. So, let's see. Well, can't see the baby right now. She must have taken him back up here. Got one mama in here. She's sitting on her baby. She's hatching out babies. And then we got my dog who decided there's a duck with all her babies. We got the dog who's an idiot. Get down. Get down. Get down, Shiva. Stuff like this I gotta deal with. 1 second here. Oh, shit. Come on, duck. Come here. Alright. There, you're untangled. Here's all her little babies. They're all out right now. I gotta get them back in. Hey! Alaric, don't hurt the babies. Let me try to scare them back into the pen before the dog gets a hold of the babies. Go that way, guys. Go on. Hi, Shiva, you big moose. There's my big moose. Go on, Mama. Shiva! Alaric! Hold on, guys. I have to deal with this shithead right here. Come here. He thinks that he's a boss around here. Wants to act like a butthead. Scare everybody. Don't you? How about I throw you in with the dog? How would you like that? Why are you wrapped around two different things? Oh my gosh. Fun is to have on a farm, guys. Anybody that says it's easy, they're lying. Here, hold on. Let me toss him in here with her to play. There. Now they can play. He's scared to death of her. He acts like a big shot until it's time to play. Then he runs from her. Come on, babies. Let's get them out of here if we can. Come on, Mama. Keep going. Come on, guys. Go. Go. Keep going. Keep going. Get down. Shiva, down. Down, Shiva. Go play with the puppy. Go, guys. Go. Nothing like a bucket full of babies. Here. No, no, go that way. Oh, so hold on 1 sec, guys. Quit being a wimp. Play with your sister. All right, now we'll get them in there. Well, nope, now they're going to be stupid. Okay, we got them back in there. Oh, one. All but one. I need to get this hole fixed. That would be from the goats. She just wants to play with him, and he wants to be a big sissy boy. He's got the yappiest bark. Here, play with your sister. Quit being mean. She just wants to play with you. He's such a big baby. There's Judith. Hi, Judith. Hi, baby girl. All right, that's enough. Let's come over here. Look. I love when he just... The goat is eating the food off of the pig's back. That's Sasha and Daryl. There's one of the little babies. And there's Judith's other baby. They were both girls, so we kept them both. I love her. She's a cream, but she's like a tan stripe down her back. There's our little buck. There's Michonne. He's talking to her. And over there is Sophia. And this doofus out there, Jerry, I don't know if you guys can see him. There he is. He got himself out of the fence and wrapped around a tree on his leg. And Matilda must be in heat. She's over there trying to bother him. There's all the ducks, other ducks and geese. It's one of the Muscovies. Hold on. Excuse me. I have to sneeze. I don't know why he's down here. He must be getting something to eat. Oh, here's the other Muscovies. I think these three all ended up being boys. So in the spring, I'm going to take two of them probably to the auction. We only need one boy. All them guys are up there having a conversation about everything that's going on. But as you can see, my fence isn't looking so hot. The goats have managed to destroy it quite a few times. Oh, there's Hoppy. Hi, Hoppy. How you doing? How you doing, girl? Yeah, it's our chicken with the bad hip. All the other ones are in for the most part. Oh, there's one of my bunnies out. Oh, man. See? Never ending, guys. It's the fun perks of having a farm. The excitement never ends around here. So let me see if I can catch her real quick. Her or him. Not sure which one it is. Look what the grandkids did with my skeleton. They buried him. Where'd she go? Oh, there she is. Let's see if I can catch her with one hand here. They're so tame, they don't even really go anywhere. Oh, 1 second, guys. I'm going to put you down. Come here, you. Come here, little one. Oh, you're so cute. Come here. Oh, oh, no, no. Oh, my goodness. Oh, here we go. Put my net over here. Oh, and here she is. Oh, I'm dropping her here. Oh, hold still. It's one of the lion heads. Cage must not have been hooked correctly. Oh, 1 second, guys. I'm dropping it. Oh, yep. See? Her cage came open. This is the one I've been having problems with the cage. I had it tied shut, and then it stopped coming open for a while, so I left it alone. But there she is, safe and sound back in her house. With all my scratches. But there's the other one. She's down there. And we got these guys. My little girl. She's going to get bred in the spring. Pretty girl. She's so soft. With this guy. Oh, she's all wound up. They're not the friendliest rabbits. The mini Rexes. Here he is. My big boy. And then, because you guys know, I think I told you, there's some chickens out there hanging out. I think we got rid of all the quail. I have 2 empty hutches right now. I got to repair the one, though. And here's our other one. I think this is the boy. Hi, handsome. Is your food fixed? You get it? This one's thing. This food container I really don't like. Anytime we get rain, it gets down in here and clogs it up. There we go. Now he can get his food. So, there's Basil. Have him hooked up. Let's go see if the puppy wants out. Or if he figured out how to get out. Left him up there by him. I left him up there with the other dogs. So right now we just have one baby chick. She tried to hatch out some babies. Only one hatched. The other one, she had 2. One had tipped, but it never got out of the shell. It's kind of cold in the weather. I don't know why she always sits on eggs in chillier weather. And then we got 5 baby ducks. I think we started with 7. And now we only have 5 left. So tomorrow I'm going to clean cages and stuff. Oh, there's Lark. Come on, Lark! Over here. Come on. Come on. Come on, Lark. Quit being a sissy boy. Watch out, Sasha. He's such a wuss. Hi, Sasha. Hi, Sasha girl. Hi, Sasha girl. Hey, little ones. Little ones. I'm shown. Did you lose your collar again? Always kicking off your collar. Come on. Come on, Lark. Oh, there's Sasha. About tripped over. They want their lovin's. There's Judith. Oh, she's over stuffing her. So come on, Lark. Come on, Lark. Lark, come on. Lark. Come on, they're just goats. They're not going to get you. Dog's the wussiest dog for living on a farm. Oh, maybe Michonne is going to get you. You guys probably missed it off camera. She was up on her hind legs, acting all tough. You gonna get him? She's all dried up. This one's dry. Should be. Yeah, she's dried up good. She's still in milk because her babies still try to eat off of her. Those are her babies. These 2 right here. 2 girls. Keep her. Yeah, she has a little bit of milk. keep them too. They'll get bred next year when these guys all get bred to the little buck right there. Hopefully by then I find a home for Jerry out there. If not, it's fine. Actually, I might leave him outside the fence so he isn't breeding the girls when I don't want him to. And just put another fence around that area for him. He's trying. He wants that girl. Come on. Come on, Lorik. Let's go. But that's a project I'm trying to work on, fixing my roof. But I can't find my electric screwdriver. So I need to slide them panels and then screw them in place. And I need to get her that box that's way down there, the dog box. She can't see it from here. And move it up here for her because she's getting too big for that igloo one. Oh, Sophia got mad. Somebody bumped into her. She's a moody thing sometimes. Look, he wants to get to her so bad. He's trying to get her. She's just like teasing him, like standing there, like right out of his reach. Lorik, you going in? Come on. Oh, look, Sasha's going to sniff Lorik. He's never been in the fence with them before. But he's big enough now, he can handle himself. For the most part. He's so funny. He's a Chinese crested, but he looks like a little sheepdog or something. He just got a bath today, and I bring him out here. That wasn't smart. He's checking everything out in here. I wish I could put Basil out here with Shiva and leave him out here, but he gets out too easy. That's why Shiva's hooked up, because she gets out of the fence. Next spring, when we redo the fence and got better fencing, then they can both be in the fence, and I can leave them in here at night. Oh, there's Miss Attitude. There's Miss Attitude. Miss Sophia. Telling her 2 cents, huh? You got some opinions? Do ya? Got some opinions? Ooh. Didn't like me touching your ears. Your ear hurting? What's wrong? Oh, maybe she's having an ear problem. Can I see? No, it doesn't look red or anything. She's just being moody. Look at that butt. Look at that chunky butt. All right, come on. Come on, Lorik. Come on. Lorik, come on. Lorik, come on. Now you decide to pee. Come on, buddy. It's time to go in. Lorik, come on before the goats get out. Come on. Come on. Lorik, come on. It's like talking to a wall. Look, he's scared of the goats. And a goose. There's a duck. Oh my God, you're such a wimp. Come on. Come on, you're going to stay out here all night. They're going to get you. Look at them all. They're all very interested. They're like, what is this? Come on, Lorik. Quit being a wuss. Lorik, come on. Oh my goodness. You want to stay out here? Mommy's leaving. Come on. Come on, Lorik. Well, guys, I'm going to cut the video here because I'm sure you don't want to sit here and listen to me yell at my dog. So I got to get in there and get him. So I will talk to you guys later. I just want to give you an update on the animals. Oh, and all the sugar gliders have babies. Try to get a video of that soon. They are all out of their pouches. So I have some babies here soon to rehome. So talk to you later, guys. Bye.